Hello everyone, this is Al Rabbi. Now I am showing you about how to download bandicam. Firstly, I need to go Chrome and you get search engine. In the search engine, you write down the bandicam download. After write down bandicam download, you can get the screen recorder download, paste screen bandicam. After that, you will get this download bandicam option, and you need to click this option, and after you can see that it's already it's downloading. After download, you click this option, the bandicam download setup, and then you can see the after that sorry I already download that, so it's don't show. If you newly download it, then you can see that it will get installing, and after that you will get the even you can use it, and after that you go to the AutoCAD like me, and then you show that you are working on the AutoCAD, and your skin is going to recording. So here I am in AutoCAD, and I see that we take this line command and circle